Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to transfer contacts to new phone. If you have a new phone and then you want to transfer all your contacts from your old phone to your new phone, you just have to click on the contacts app and choose all your contacts by clicking on the contact like this. You have to tap and hold the contacts and you have to click on all button right here, and now all the contacts have been selected, and you have to click share to transfer all the contacts, and choose the media that you would like to share your contact, and you can choose WhatsApp or Telegram or messages or maybe nearby share, and choose whatever you like, and then after that you can transfer all your contacts to your new phone. Okay guys, that's the tutorial from me. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching and see you.